How to fix game not released error on Steam for Battlefield 6. So first what you can do is click on the Steam on the top left right here, go to settings, and from here go to downloads and make sure to clear the cache by going to clear download cache and hit the clear cache button and then confirm. And that should basically shut down Steam and ask you to sign in again to your account. Now you should check the game page again to see if that solves the issue. And if it still doesn't and you have some DLCs or the beta installed, try to verify files or try to basically remove the beta by uninstalling it from your library by right clicking on the game and go to manage and then uninstall. And if you have it installed and it still says the game is not released, try to right click on the game, go to properties and installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files from here and wait for that process to finish checking your files. Now once you do that, try to restart your computer by going to power button and then hit the restart. And before or after restarting your system, before opening the game, just right click on Steam and launch it as administrator and then go to the game and try to launch it, and that should basically fix the game not released error. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.